Practice parking front end on the left in a parking lot. Center the car in the parking lot. Just leave sufficient room so a car could get by you on the left. Signal to the left. Check around to make sure it's safe for you to do all of this. And we need to take the first lane parking spot on the left. So we keep going straight until the front bumper is in the same lane you need to get into, like now. Then we slow the car down, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and then you just let the car do the job. When the car is straight in the lane, you stop momentarily, then turn the steering wheel to the right until it looks like the face of a clock. Once more to the right until it looks like the face of a clock. That means the car is straight, the wheel is straight, and you move completely into the parking space. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park. You're done.